Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to clean up the search history on your TikTok. So here let's just right away open the TikTok application. So the search history will be shown whenever you open the search button over here, and once around you will be able to see the search history of your account. So you just need to see more. If you like clean up the search history by go click this X button manually, it will be taking a lot of time and energy. I will let to show you the way, the fastest, the quickest way to clean up your search history. Now open your profile over here, go click this three straight lines and visit your settings and privacy. And now you just need to like scrolling down until you found the activity center. And whenever you found the activity center, go click it, and there will be like several options here, and one of them is search history. Now you just need to go click it. If we want to delete all of the search history of your account, go click select and go take a look on this bottom side. Go click this select all search history and just go click delete all. Confirm that you want to delete this all search history of your account. And you're done. Now the search history is already cleaned up, and let's see, is there still appear on your search part or search sections here? Nope, it's not. So that is the way guys how to clean up your search history on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to see you for the next tutorial.